How to launch a Shopify store. So the first step is you need to make sure to have your own theme set up. If you haven't set up your theme, make sure to select any one of these, or if you have a paid plan, you will also have further more options. Now once you have your current theme active, you just need to make sure to click on the three dots or click on the publish button. Now this is going to publish your store, but make sure to click on the preferences and remove the password. So scroll down and make sure to remove this password, because if you don't have a plan, you will not be able to remove this, and it will going to restrict access to the visitors with the password. Only the persons with the password will going to access your store, which is very inconvenient. So make sure to have a Shopify plan before launching your store. Now next thing is, if I click on the three dots and click on the preview, make sure to preview it in both mobile and your desktop, because most of your audience is going to be mobile based. So make sure to set up everything accordingly. Next thing is, you need to make sure before launching the store that all of your spellings and grammar of the text on your Shopify store is correct and visually appealing. Make sure to use a theme that is attractive and suiting with your brand. Next step is, you need to check for broken links. Make sure to click all of the buttons that are available in your stores to see if all of them are working perfectly, because if any of them is broken, this will lead to a poor user experience. So you need to make sure to keep that in mind. Next, and the most important step is, you need to make sure to connect your domain by clicking on domain, and make sure either you can buy a new domain or you can connect your existing domain. Make sure to select a domain that is the name of your brand. If you cannot find, you can also use some alternatives like io or .com or any other domain name, but make sure to connect it, otherwise it will going to be very unprofessional. At last, make sure to review all of your designs, elements, and buttons. Make sure everything is working perfectly, and also make sure to check out your product page, and also make sure that it is SEO optimized for Google, as well as your keywords that you have included in the product description. So after that, you can launch your store and you're good to go. So that's the way of how you can launch your Shopify store.